Here we have a Yanmar YM1820D four-wheel drive diesel tractor. This thing is in excellent shape. Tires are excellent, front and rear. It's got the original seat on it. I mean, look at the paint on this thing. Really, really nice. It's a shuttle shift, meaning you don't have to use the clutch to change gears. It's got 3 main gears there with a creeper gear, plus the 3 drive gears there. Just move the lever and it changes gears for you. It's got on and off 4-wheel drive, locking differential, 3-speed PTO. Excellent shape. It's just now broken in. Look at that, only 600 hours on it. And the tractor looks like somebody's taken well care of this thing. It's probably been put in a garage because there's no rust. It's got the bottom part of the ROP, so if you want to put the rollover on it, pretty simple. Nice tractor. Brand new loader, 4-foot bucket. I mean, look at the paint on that thing. That's really nice. It's got a few scrapes here and there, which most tractors do. This isn't a YNM or some of the Mitsubishis that have been taken apart in Vietnam and spray painted everything. They paint over the rust, they paint over everything. Paint over the hoses, and then they ship them to the US and a couple guys sell them as refurbished or reconditioned. That's not this tractor. What you see is what you get. Been completely serviced, no oil leaks. Look, that's original. That hasn't been painted over. Really nice tractor, excellent condition. Go ahead and start it up. Really nice shape. Doesn't blow smoke. Even the first time you start it in the morning when it's cold out, it starts right up and doesn't blow any smoke at all. Really good tractor. Like I said, it's got the brand new loader on it, 4-foot bucket. That'll lift up over 7.5 feet. And you can fill that up with rocks and it's going to lift it. The thing will lift about 750 pounds or so. Shown with an optional J-bar box scraper. So I've got new box scrapers, new post hole diggers. Just out of the brush hogs, no more brush hogs. But if you want to see that, any of the implements that we have, backhoes, any of the tractors, you can go to the website at ToughTractors.com, ToughTractors.com.